All right, guys. So as you can see, we just received our new WoodRidge Pro from Traeger, and it is now time to unbox. Here we go. Today we're going to be letting Montana Knife Company help us unbox our brand new Traeger. All right, guys, it's time to open this thing. Oh no, crap. I think we got a faulty product. All right, guys, so as you can see, we've got everything unboxed, laid out, and now it is time for assembly. So, and I got my handy dandy helper, Miss Emily, here with me to help. So here we go. All right, so that goes like that.
Yep, 2 screws, B.
Do the easy. Like this, like this. All right, now that we got it assembled, it's time to add our Traeger pellets to the hopper. Okay, now we're gonna close the hopper. All right, guys, so as you can see, we now have the new Traeger set up. Now it's time to turn it on and fire it up. All right, so it is turning on. What we need to do is set the temperature. So we're gonna set it to 350. As you can see here, the Traeger has a really nice dial, super easy to read, super easy to use. Once you got it set on temperature, you're gonna hold down the ignite button. As you can hear, it is now turning on and igniting. So we want to turn on the temperature to 350. Once we set it at 350 and it reaches 350, then we want to crank it up to 500 because you want to do the initial burnout, kind of season it per se, burn off any of the grease, anything from the factory. Go ahead and get that going, and that's what you'll see is going here. And then once you actually start cooking, you'll see that it comes with these really nice thermometers. You plug them in, and then you just run the thermometer in through here for the meat. And right here it's showing you that it's climbing temperature already. And the auger, you can hear the auger starting to rotate and bring the pellets in and start to heat them up. So super amazing piece of equipment, guys. Huge shout out to Traeger for hooking us up. They sent this to us thanks to my good buddy Josh from Josh Hunt Gridlin for making the connection. And we cannot wait to fire this thing up, start cooking, and do some content for you guys. Y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching.